Okay, today we're unboxing this toddler balance bike made for 18 months to 5 years old. I actually got this for free, super excited. It's my first kind of sponsored video, so that'd be cool. Let's build it. So you don't really need any tools to do this. They give you a hex key, and another one would be helpful, but you don't need it.
You take the frame, take these guys, and you put them onto the forks. And it's got these push button pins. You align those guys, and you put them one into each. Pops out like that. Next is to build the wheels. They come in like this, and you need to build it like this. So you need these parts, which they give you. Pretty simple. Basically, you unthread one of these guys, these nuts and the spacer, and you feed it in. And you put the spacer and the nut back in. And then you pop this guy in on this end. You align these tabs with these three spacers, or three little tabs. And you pop it in like that, and then you got to get this guy in on the other side. So you got to unscrew this guy again, or unscrew that one, and then grab this guy, and you can put that right inside the gaps. Just press that in. It's not very hard. Press that in, and you put that spacer in, and then that nut to lock it into place. Alright, next you take the frame and you take two of these guys and you put it onto each end of the front fork, or the front stem. Put that on, just like that. Then you're ready to grab the handlebar and the fork, and then feed that through. There. That goes first. Before you feed that in, you need to grab the quick release. Put that on. Yep, done. Take your handlebar, pop it right in, and that should be that. Alright, next step, grab the seat post and grab this quick tight seat collar. Pop the that tightener onto the loop. It can only go on one way. It has a flat edge, so you pop that flat edge to hold it on the top. Then you slide this guy on. I'm probably gonna bottom it out because I do got that 18-month-old. Actually, he's actually 23 months, so he's almost 2. Well, I guess he's 22 and a half months. And yeah, and then you tighten it up. Line that up, and yep, tighten that collar, and you're done. Okay, last step, put these wheels on. Alright, so that one popped in pretty good. Just like that, and to secure it, they give you 4 of these little bolts, and you thread it in. Just like that. They do give you a little hex key, so you can tighten her up. All done. Let's ride this thing.
So here's my 22-month-old, so he's not 2 years old yet. I feel like it's a bit tall for him. We dropped down the seat as much as we could. He's doing pretty good, but he is an experienced balance biker. Kind of started at 18 months old. What I do like about this balance bike is just so light. It's probably the lightest balance bike I've ever felt. But yeah, I think starting at 2 years old with this bike is probably right. My son was able to manage, and he loves that thing. Yeah, he's already taken to it quite a bit. Yeah, and this is just 10 minutes after building the bike he's riding.
This is my 3-year-old. She's pretty good. She can actually do a pedal bike. But yeah, she can go on this pretty fast on the balance bike. You like it, Kaylee? What do you think of it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, it's nice and lightweight, right? So this is at the bottomed out seat height. So she's tiny for a 3-year-old though, so more like almost like a 2-year-old. Go ahead, keep pedaling. Go ahead, Kaylee. So that's something to keep in mind.
It's a 1-year-old.
Yeah, Caden's 1 year old. He's almost 2 though. Alright, so this is my 6-year-old. He's a really good bicycler. We maxed out the seat for him, and he can kind of do it. It's definitely... Alvin, go regular. Oh man, my 1-year-old's already become attached. He wants it back. He's only 1 hour in and he wants it. It's his. Alright, Alvin, we gotta give it back to Kaden. Do you like it? It's really light, huh? Oh, my 3-year-old wants it too. Everybody wants the balance bike. Okay, we'll give it back to you.
So I'd give this this bike probably like a 4 out of 5 stars. I love the lightness. That gets 5 out of 5 for sure. Build quality, maybe like a 3 out of 5. The seat tube was a little dented. I just took my screwdriver and straightened it out to become a perfect circle, and then I could fit that in. But yeah, I think it's good, you know, especially for a first balance bike. I think, yeah, it's probably pretty perfect. I'd recommend it. Yeah, again, love the lightweight, moves smoothly. My son was on it and moving right away, you know, didn't really take any adjustment period here. Here he's probably like an hour in and he's just moving with it. You can see, yeah, I know, I need to get a helmet on him, but our helmets are shipping from Japan, so it didn't fit. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And good luck on your own journey. Godspeed. Don't forget to comment, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.